Hello, genius! Look at this monster. 9 divided by 4 to the power of 9 divided by 4. Let's break it down. But wait! Quiz time! What is the value of x to the power 0? Is it 0, 1, x, or undefined? Drop your answer in the comments. Great job! Now back to our problem. 9 is 3 squared. 4 is 2 squared. So 9 divided by 4 is 3 divided by 2 squared. Now substitute that back. We have 3 divided by 2 squared, all raised to 9 divided by 4. Here is the golden rule. When you have a power of a power, you multiply them. 2 times 9 divided by 4 equals 18 divided by 4, which simplifies down to 9 divided by 2. So our new problem is cleaner. 3 divided by 2 to the power of 9 divided by 2. But what does 9 divided by 2 mean? Let's convert it to a mixed number. 9 divided by 2 is 4, with half left over. When powers are added, 4 plus 1 divided by 2, it means we multiply the bases. Let's split it. We get 2 parts, one with power 4 and one with power 1 divided by 2. Part A. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Part B. Power 1 divided by 2 simply means square root, so we have square root of 1.5. Combine them together. The final answer is 81 divided by 16 times root 1.5. You did it! Challenge time. 27 divided by 8 to the power of 2 divided by 3. Use the same logic. Comment answer.